illustrated playing card design. For this project, you're going to have some requirements, which include they must be a reversible design. It must include a symbol for royalty. It must not be human. You must use a face card with the letter of the card and the suit symbol, for example, Queen of Hearts. You'll start by creating thumbnail designs, which are basically quick concept sketches, and then you'll choose one and create a pencil line design from that. You're going to trace that onto your final paper in ink, and then after you have your top traced, you're going to invert it and then trace the mirror image on the opposite end of the card. And once it's all inked, then you're going to add color. I'm using watercolor pencil. So for watercolor pencil, you want to start by creating a palette just to see what happens when you add water to the colors. The darker you color something, the darker the paint is going to look when you add water. When you paint, you need to control the water. I'm not using very much water at all to get the pencil to change to paint. So don't use too much water. That's probably one of the biggest things when you're using watercolor pencil. So do the top of the design, turn it over, let it dry, and then paint the bottom. And when you're done, go back over it with ink, just the parts that you think kind of got lost. And this is an example of a final card. Here's another example by one of my students who started with the line design in pencil, traced over it with ink, and then added color using watercolor pencil. Be sure to rinse your brush between colors so that you don't contaminate one color with another. And this is her final design. Have fun with this, you guys.